Analyzing metaphysical sources to discover destiny. What is the definition of free will? The definition of free will means we have the freedom to do as per our will, and destiny, on the other hand, implies whatever is destined will happen, whether it is or is not as per our will. Hence, in whatever is already destined, we have no choice. It is all prearranged. However, we do have the power to choose our own destiny when it comes to designing our future fate. Yes, our fate is not determined by a higher power. It is we who decide it. When destiny is unfolding, our inner intent at that point in time decides what our fate ahead is going to be. We have a free will to maintain whatever intent we choose to keep. Accordingly, our fate is determined, or in other words, our destiny gets designed. Then, in the next life, this design manifests exactly the way we intended, and that is what we term as destiny. This is how it is said that our fate is already predetermined. For instance, in this life, say you decided to donate $100 to a charity. This is your destiny, which was already predetermined in your previous life. However, while donating, if your inner intent is how I wish I had more funds so that I could donate more cash to the needy, then you chose to have a good destiny in future. Maintaining such good intent, you bound good karma for your future life. But if the inner intent was, I was compelled to give this money, or else I would not have given a single dime to these cheats. With such intent, one chooses to have a hard destiny in future, as one has bound a very bad karma, the consequence of which one shall have to bear in their next life as one's destiny. When our intent plays such an important role in determining our future destiny, shouldn't we always preserve a pure intent in life? May no living being be hurt to the slightest extent through my thoughts, words, or actions. Such an intent makes us progress quite well on the path of development. Our destiny shall be such that we shall meet the enlightened one who liberates us from all miseries. Therefore, we must recite this sentence 5 times daily. When our intent is that of not inflicting hurt to others, then our destiny will be such that no hurt will come to us. This is how we have the power to choose our own destiny. And if for some reason we happen to hurt anyone, then we shall sincerely ask for forgiveness. Internally, we should do sincere repentance for each of these mistakes and seek forgiveness from the God residing in the person concerned. Dear God, please forgive me for having caused hurt to this person and give me strength so that I never make this mistake again. Doing so, our destiny in the future life will certainly be good. So, this is how we say that our fate is already predetermined. We have sown the seeds, and accordingly, its fruits will certainly come. If we have sown the seed of mango, we are destined to get the fruit of mango. And in case we have sown the seed of neem, we are destined to get the neem leaves in our destiny. Having said that, we must certainly make a positive effort in everything we are responsible to do. This is because we do not know what our destiny is, that means the final outcome beforehand. So, after having tried our level best to make a positive outcome happen, then finally, whatever happens, that is destiny. To summarize, destiny is a result of our past deeds. Based on our past life's karma, our destiny is decided. In case our intent is good, we bind good karma And if our inner intent is not good, we bind bad karma. So, there is no higher power that determines our destiny. It is we ourselves who decide. Through the opinions, good or bad, we harness in life, through the inner intents, good, bad, or pure, that we maintain within, while the karma is unfolding. Hence, maintaining the deep inner intent of not hurting others and doing pratikraman whenever we happen to hurt someone is the way to go. Let's stay positive and put in the right efforts at every step in life. Then, whatever happens, we'll accept that final result as destiny.